Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get old Gorilla Tag versions on Steam. So I have in here this particular guide by Mr. Hotcake. So this will give you a step-by-step on how to do this and how to time travel in Gorilla Tag. So just a disclaimer that if you do this, you will not be able to play with anyone in the older version because actually now onto the actual new version. So in order to do this, go to the Steam database. You can click here, which is the steamdb.info. Now search the Google tag and click on the game that is corresponding to that search, and then click on Depots, click on Manifest, and if for some reason you can access the web page, then click on here. Now scroll down until you find the update that you want, and you can find it on the date that the update was added. You can copy the manifest ID on the right side of the page and copy it to your clipboard. Make sure not to remove it. Open the Run app on your computer to the search bar and typing in Run, hitting enter, and then input right here this console. Now, after you have done that, type in the command that you see right here in your screen, and then make sure to replace the version manifest ID with the one that you have copied there. Hit on the enter, and it should start the download of your specified version on the Gorilla tag. And now all you have to do is wait until it downloads. Just copy the directory that shows and paste it on the top bar of your file explorer. Now you're done. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.